Hello students, how are you? Welcome to the Mahdi English School. Myself Nilofer Miss and my subject is mathematics. And my dear students, this lecture is for the class 2 and I hope that you all are ready with your notebook and pencil to attend this lecture because this lecture is very interesting. Nowadays we are in chapter number 9, which is shapes and pattern. Shapes and pattern. This chapter is a very interesting chapter and totally with fun. This chapter is totally made with fun. All the things is very easy, nothing hard in this, no any calculation is there, just having fun with shapes only and patterns. Nothing new in this chapter, totally based on the patterns and shapes. Here is one quote for you. As you know that we begin our lecture with the quote. So today I have new quote for you and the quote is, all things are difficult before they are easy. All the things are difficult before they are easy, right? So this is the deep quote. Just read it 5 to 6 times, then you can understood what mean by this quote. Just read 4 to 5 times and then you can understood this. Now let's start pattern. We are in the chapter pattern, right students? So I hope you enjoy this chapter and the name, as per the name we complete the shapes and now we are in the topic pattern. Here is the worksheet of pattern for you. So first of all, to complete the pattern, what you should do? Do you have any idea that to complete the pattern, what you should do? So, to complete the pattern, first of all, you have to observe the row. First of all, you have to observe the pattern, that which pattern is there, which pattern is following. So, first of all, let's observe the worksheet first. Here is 2 heart shape, then 1 circle shape, 2 heart shape, and which shape will come next? You have to just think about it, that which shape will come next. Here is 2 heart shape, 1 circle shape, 2 heart shape, and then what come the next? So you have to observe first, you have to think about it. After understanding, you have to write down, it means you have to draw the correct shape to complete the pattern. So here, now after thinking, here the circle shape will come. So now let's see if the pattern is complete or not. So here is 2 heart shape, then 1 circle shape, 2 heart shape and 1 circle shape. Now here in this row number 1, the pattern is complete. Now let's go to the number 2. Here is star, square, star, square. Here is star and what comes next? You have to observe the pattern. You have to understood the pattern, think about it and then write down the correct shape, that which shape will come the next. Here is star, then square, star and square. Here is star and here is square. So after adding a square shape, our pattern is complete. I repeat my sentence, that after adding the square shape into the number 2, our pattern is complete. Now let's observe again if it is right or wrong. Here is star, here is square, here is star, here is square, here is star, here is square. So students, you can see this way we have to complete these types of pattern. Here is moon, then two circle. Here is moon and only one circle is there. So which shape we can add to complete this pattern? First of all, observe the pattern, understood it that what shapes will come next, think about it and then write down, then draw the next shape. See this, here is moon, then two circle. Here is moon and two circles. So which shape will come next? So the next shape will be a circle. After adding the circle, the pattern is complete. Let's observe again. Here is moon, then two circle. Here is moon, then two circle. So this way we can complete the pattern. Now the next one. Here is a flower, then a moon. Triangle. Flower, moon, triangle. Again, flower, moon. So what shape will come the next? You have to observe the pattern first, then you have to understood that which pattern will come the next, and then you can draw the next pattern. Here is flower, moon, triangle. Flower, moon. So triangle will come and it is the next shape and triangle will complete the pattern. After adding the triangle, the pattern is complete. So students, you can see this. Now let's observe again this pattern. So we can observing well, it is true or not. Here is flower, then moon and a triangle. Flower, moon and a triangle. Now the pattern is complete. Now the next one, here is a star, a triangle, a triangle. So after star there is a two triangle. What? After star there is a two triangle, then star, then one triangle is there. So what is left? Which shape is remain? After adding which shape, this pattern is complete. So after adding the triangle shape, this pattern is complete. You can see here is star, then two triangle. Here is a star, then two triangle. This way you can complete the pattern. This is the worksheet and you have to complete this. Then the next pattern we have to complete it. So first one is done for you. We have to complete the next two. Here is yellow circle, blue triangle, red square. I repeat it again. Here is yellow circle, a blue triangle, a red square. Again, yellow circle, blue triangle and red square. Yellow circle, blue triangle. Now this way you can complete these types of pattern. Now here is all the shapes is in orange color. Here is a square shape, circle shape, diamond shape. Square, circle, diamond. So is it true? If I draw here a circle, is it true? No, it is a wrong thing. You have to draw first of all square here, and whenever you write down this thing into the fair book, you have to write down square first after the diamond shape. Then here is blue circle, green square, green triangle. Blue circle, green square, green triangle. Then the blue circle and the green square will come. Now the next one, let's complete this one. Here is two circle, one square, two circle, one square. What? We have to observe the pattern first. Here is two circle, one square. Two circle, one square. Again we have to draw two circle and one square. This way we can draw You can see now. Observe the pattern again. 2 circle, 1 square, 2 circle, 1 square, then again 2 circle and 1 square. This way we can complete the pattern. Now the next one, here is a star, then a rectangle, star and a rectangle, then here is a star and rectangle. Let's observe the pattern again so you will be better understood this. Here is a star, then rectangle. Here is a star, then rectangle. Again we have to draw a star and rectangle. Then the next one, here is a 2 triangle, 2 square. Then again, now it is complete. See this, here is 2 triangle, 2 square. Here is 2 triangle, then the next square shape will come. Then you have to add one more square, then you have to follow the pattern. Now the next one, here is 2 heart shape, 3 circles, 2 heart shape and 1 circle is there. So how many circles we have to add to complete the pattern? See this, here is 2 heart shape and 3 circle. Again 2 heart shape and 1 circle is there. So how many circles we have to add to complete the pattern? See this, here is 2 circle I am adding and the next shape will be the heart shape. Now this pattern is complete. So let's observe again this. Here is 2 heart shape, then 3 circle shape, 2 heart shape and then 3 circle shape, and the next is 1 heart shape again. So this way you have to complete these types of pattern. Here is you have to just overwrite it. You have to trace the following pattern. Let's see. Students, let's follow it. How to you just trace the lines? I'll show you. You have to trace the lines this way. I will show you. You can see in the picture I am tracing the lines right now. This way you have to trace the lines into your book. I will send this into the group also. And these shapes is, all shapes are very easy. So you can draw these types of shapes by your own. See this. I just changed the color. This line is a zigzag line. So this is easy to draw. Now see this next line, that is a standing sleeping, sleeping standing, sleeping standing, sleeping standing, sleeping standing, sleeping standing, sleeping standing, sleeping standing. This way you have to complete the pattern. Very easy, students, to trace the lines. See this, here is I am showing you. This way you can trace the lines with the help of your pencil, and this all are the freehand patterns. You can just draw it without scale. This is the slanting line. You can see I draw it with my finger only. Here is the slanting line. Totally this pattern is made with a slanting lines. Just 2 slanting lines it need to complete it. Now you can see I just draw these types of pattern. So you also can draw and having fun with these types of lines. Now I have one more worksheet for you, and you also have to trace this worksheet, and this worksheet is very easy, students. You have to just trace the lines. Nothing new in this. You have to just join the dotted line. You can see this on lines is the dotted line. You have to join it. This line is a sleeping line and a straight line. To draw this line, you can use the scale. In this you also can use the scale, and here this is the curved line. In this you can use the scale also. I will show you how to trace the lines. So here is, see this, I just try to make the standing line without making any curve. Now the next one, I just try to make a curved lines. You can see this way. You have to draw the line. This is very easy, students. Now the next one, next line I will draw for you. See this. This way you have to follow the lines. This is just having fun for you. See this way you can complete the line by tracing it, and this worksheet is very easy. You can practice of these lines. Now students, so this is the pattern worksheet. You have to do it into the fair book or rough book. You have to do practice with all these things. Now here is the number pattern. In the number pattern, you have to observe the number pattern first, that which pattern is following here. You have to think about it and then you have to go further. So here is, see this, here is 5 and here is 40. All the things in at the number of ones, if it is 0 or if it is 5, here is 0 or here is 5. You can see, you can check the ones value if it is 0 or if it is 5. Just two number is there. So we have to add 5 numbers, because here is, see the heading count by 5s. So we have to add 5 numbers in the number. You can see here is the number 5 is already given. Now students, let's add 5 number to the each number. If here is 5, we have to add 5 number to it. So 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So the next number will be 10. If you add 5 number into the 5 number, the next number will be 10. So in the next number, you have to add 5 numbers. So you will get the next number. See here is 5. So I add 5 number into the 5 number. So it will be a 10. Now I will add 5 number to the 10 number. So 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. You can see here 5, 10, 15. If I am adding 5 number into the 10, so I will get the answer 15. I will get the next number, which is 15. Now to get a next number, I have to add 5 number into the 15. What I have to do? I have to add 5 number into the 15 to get a new number, to get a next number. So 15 plus 5 is equal to 20. What? After adding 5 number into the 15, I get the new number, which is 20. So I get a new number, which is 20. So if I want to get a new number, a next pattern, so I have to add 5 number into the 20. So 20 plus 5 is equal to 25. Here you can see I just add the 5 number into the 20. So I get the new number, which is 25. You can see this, here is 20 and I add 5 number to it. So it will be a 25. Now the next one, if I want to get a new number, a next pattern, so I have to add 5 number into the 25. So 25 plus 5 is equal to 30. Here is 25. If I want to get a next number, I have to add 5 number into this 25. So 25 plus 5 is equal to 30. Now if I want to get a next number, I have to add 5 number into the 30. What I have to do? I have to add 5 number into the 30. So 30 plus 5 is equal to 35. See, I get the new number which is 35. And if I want to get a next number, and see, our answer is right, because if we are adding 5 number into the 35, we will get a 40, and this number 40 is already given. You can see here the balloon with 40 number is already there. Now we have to add 5 number into the 40 to get a next number. To get a next number, we have to add 5 number into the 40. If you having a knot and a pencil, you can just do the addition of these numbers and check if this answer is wrong or right. Now 40 plus 5 is equal to 45. You can see here is the next number, and the number that we want here is 45. To get a next number, what we have to do? Do you get the idea? We have to add 5 numbers into the 45 to get the new number. So here is 45 number. Here it is. Now after adding 5 number into the 45, the next number will be 50. See this, after adding 5 number into the 45, the next number will be a 50. 50. Now students, to get a next number, you have to add 5 number into the 50. 50 plus 5 is equal to 55. Here you can see we get the answer. The next number is 55. This way, by adding 5 number in the each number, you will get the next number. So here we are getting the number which is 55. Which number we are getting? We are getting the number 55. So after adding 5 number into the 55, we will get a new number which is 6060. Which? 6060. You can see here, after adding a 5 number into the 55, you will get the answer which is 6060. Now to get a next number here, students, after adding a 5 number into the 60, you will get the new number which is 65. After adding 60 into the 5 number, so the next number will be a 65. You can see here, I just write down the next number which is 65. To get a new number after the 65, what to do? To get a new number, we have to add 5 number into the 65. What to do? 5 number we have to add into the 65. See this here, I am adding. Now students, what to do? To get a next number, you have to add 5 number into the 65. What you have to do? To get a next number, you have to add 5 number into the 65. So 65 plus 5 is equal to 70. See this, after adding 5 number into the 65, we will get a new number which is 7070. Now to get a new number, you have to add 5 number into the 7070. What? to get a new number, to get a next number, to complete this pattern, you have to add the 5 number into the 70. So 70 plus 5 is equal to 75. You can see after adding a 5 number into the 70, we are getting the number which is 75. Now the next number is 80. So if you are adding 5 number into the 75, you will get the answer which is 8080. What number you will get? You will get the number 8080. Now what to do to get a next number to complete this pattern? So complete this pattern, you have to add 5 numbers and each and every number. So you will get the next number. Now here is number 8080. To get a next number, you have to add 5 number into the 8080. So here is 80 plus 5 is equal to 85. See this, we are getting the next number to complete this pattern. Now we are getting the 85 number. Now to write down the next number or complete the pattern, you have to add 5 number into the 85, or you can 5 after 85. So you will get the number 9090. If you want to count after 90, you will count 5 numbers, then you will get the next number to complete this pattern, or you can add the 5 numbers in each number. So here is 9090 number is that. So after 9090 you can count 5 numbers, so you will get the answer. Let's count 5 numbers after 90. 91, 92, 93, 94 and 95. So what is the next number? So the next number is 95. Now let's count 5 numbers after 95 to get a next number. So let's count, students. 96, 97, 98, 99 and 100, 100. So the next number is 100, 100. This is the next number. Now let's count if this given answer is right or wrong. To check this, let's count after 100 the more 5 number. We are starting with 101 till the 5. We have to go the 5 steps forward only. Now let's start with the 101. After 100, we are starting counting with the 101, 102, 103, 104 and here is 105. Now to get a next number to complete this pattern, let's add 5 number into the 105. So let's count 5 number after 105. Let's start with the 106, 106, 107, 108, 109 and the next one is 110. So the next number is 110. Now let's add 5 number into to get a new number. Let's start with the 111, 111, 112, 113, 114 and the next number is 115. To complete the pattern, let's add 5 number more into the 115. So after 115, the number 116, 117, 118, 119 and the 120. Now this worksheet is complete, student. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll meet in the next lecture. So till complete all the worksheet and write down all the things into the fair book. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much. Bye bye, students.